troubleshooting water supply issues on an LG washing machine. If your LG washing machine is having water supply issues such as not filling, filling slowly, or not filling enough, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Before we begin, it's important to note that energy-efficient, top-load washing machines use significantly less water than older, conventional models. That may take some getting used to, but if you would like more water for the wash, some LG machines do offer a Water Plus option. If you are seeing an IE code on the washer's display, that is a display message alerting that there is an inlet issue with water getting into the washer. IE is displayed when the washer is filling too slowly or not at all. For filling issues, the water supply may require inspection to ensure proper flow to the washer, and it is possible that minerals in the water have clogged the inlet filters. First, make sure that the house water valves that supply water to the machine are fully open, and that the water supply hoses to the machine are not kinked or pinched. Be careful when moving the washer. Also check another faucet in the house to make sure that the household water pressure is adequate. For reference, the minimum inlet water pressure for an LG washer is 14.5 psi, and the maximum inlet water pressure is 100 psi. If all is well so far, then the next step is to check and clean the inlet filters in the back of the washer. A clogged filter will interfere with the water supply to the machine. To clean the filters, first shut the house water valves for the machine and unplug the power cord. Then disconnect the water supply hoses by rotating them counterclockwise and use long nose pliers or a similar tool to remove the filters. Clean all debris from the filters with running water and a small brush. Then put the filters back in and reattach the hoses. If you verified that the water flow is not obstructed, the house water valves are fully open and the inlet filters are clean, but you still believe the machine could use more water to complete the wash, then you can use the Water Plus option, if available on your specific model, to add extra water to the wash cycle. Here's how. While the wash cycle is running, press the Start/Pause button to pause the cycle. Then press the Water Plus button to add Water Plus as the default option for that wash cycle. Press Start/Pause to resume the cycle. Note that Water Plus can only be selected when the washer is running its wash cycle. To deselect the option, press the Water Plus button after starting the cycle. If you need additional assistance, go to lg.com/us/support.